A single mother came to us with nowhere to go, no one to turn to, and within days, she had emergency housing, job training, and childcare, all through our partner organizations, working together as one. That's what Restoration Storehouse is all about: collaboration, compassion, change. Today, that mother is employed full-time. Her kids are thriving, and she even volunteers with us to help others walk the same road. This is how your support creates success stories. Your gift fuels transformation. Your time brings healing. Visit restorationstorehouse.org and give today.